ALMALINUX 9.2 is available now. Welcome back to another video from TuxCare, where we give you the latest Linux and open source news. ALMALINUX, the new version of the free and open source enterprise-grade operating system, has now been released. With enhanced application streams, streamlined system management, containerization capabilities, and updated components, ALMALINUX 9.2 empowers users to optimize their infrastructure while also providing essential security updates. ALMALINUX 9.2 has been designed to strengthen the foundation of the hybrid cloud and makes it easier for users to deliver workloads, applications, and services across multiple environments with incredible speed and efficiency. The improvements made to application streams include updated compilers, runtime languages, databases, and web servers. The web console has also been improved alongside new system roles, making it easier to automate and standardize systems. TuxCare is the primary sponsor of the AlmaLinux OS project and offers a dedicated enterprise support service, AlmaCare. With AlmaCare, users benefit from an industry-leading OS lifecycle, receiving up to 16 years of support coverage, and optional but highly valued extensions. Its cybersecurity extension provides automated security patching, minimizing vulnerability windows, and ensuring uninterrupted operations with 100% uptime. If you want to learn more, be sure to like and subscribe.